number 10, he's still alive. Idol from Bicol, Jesse Lobredo. Hi po sa mga Pinks, welcome po sa Araneta. Jersey number 15 at PDT, Rookie of the Year. Standing guard at 5'5", champion slam dunker, David Villacueva. Jersey number 77, the guide of Thunder, Mike Vitor, Glenn Noero, the former actor, martial arts artist, and stunt director. Jersey number 25, kung may batang Quiapo, may totoong batang Munti Pride, and MVP Maximum Bilibid Compound, the scoring champion of the team, Blackjack. Number 44, playing coach from Wildcard Gym, coach of Money, Coach Freddy, product endorser ng Katigo and Rayuma. Coach Freddy is the answer. Jersey number 8, ito na. Let's get ready to rumble. The 8th World Division Champion, pound for pound, King of the World. From General Santos, Philippines, Manny Pacquiao. From Barangay Ginebra, one of the best import in PBA since Billy Ray Bates and Rispa Ginebra. Make the way to number 32, Justin Brownlee. At jersey number 99, the original founder of Air Jordan sa Pilipinas, unang dumating ang bansang hangin. Ang tatay niya ang sinabi, wala nang intro, tanggap ka na. Rod Navarro Jr. At number 12, the most exciting basketball player of the Memphis Grizzlies, the model and the kamikaze of the team, the slam dunker, jammer, Ja Morant. Number 1, the biggest shooting guard, he played from PDG, standing at 6'6", from Indiana Pacers, the gentle giant, Lance Stephenson. Number 23, NBA All-Star leading scorer, they call him the GOAT, the King. NBA 30,000 points, 10,000 rebounds, and 10,000 assist holder from Los Angeles Lakers of Quiapo, Manila, LeBron James. Last on the list, Pilipinas Dream Team founder, Hall of Famer, Vader of the World Champion. Siya po ang nag-assemble ng team na ito at buong sulok ng mundo. Hinanap po kami at pinagsama-sama. Please welcome Mr. Jun Aquino. On the last day, sorry, munti ko na makalimutan, mula sa bundok na tralala, the highest paid player of PDT. Hindi po siya tumatanggap ng dollar or cash, isang tonelatang kamote, okay na. The star player of the Pilipinas Dream Team, Master Colon of Cleansing, Linis Bituga. Let's welcome magandang lalaki, Chitae! PBA legend versus Pilipinas Dream Team. Let's get it on. Wait for before the game start, meron palang gift ang kanilang coach from Karate Kid, Mr. Miyagi, and Coach Freddy Roach for the exchange gift. Tapos ito, backpack na!